Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to customize sound in Solo Leveling Arise. If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience in solo leveling by customizing your sound settings, then I'll show you how to adjust, personalize, and fine-tune the game's audio to match your preference. First of all, launch open the Solo Leveling Arise game on your PC or your tablets or your mobile device and wait for the main menu to load completely. Once you're inside this home page or the menu screen of Solo Leveling Arise, go ahead and tap on the New button or the waffle button at the top right corner, and this will open up several other different options in the page. Now click on the Gear button at the bottom, and then you'll come across this Options tab. From the Options tab, tap on Sound, and then you'll be able to see all of your sound options in the screen. Go to the top of the screen, and if you see the All button, this will control the overall game sound. If you want to turn off all the sound effect from the game, you can tap the Mute button right next to All. But if you want to go ahead and customize specific sound from the menu, you can go ahead and choose other options. For example, if you just want to mute or turn off the background music, tap on the Mute button right next to background music. If you want to minimize the sound effects, you can simply drag the slider towards the left-hand side and choose your preferred sound effect volume. Similarly, you can also customize hidden hurt sound, effort sounds, and voices in the game. Go ahead and adjust the settings according to your preference, and you'll be able to adjust sound and audio options in the game. So that is how you can customize your sound settings in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.